Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am brief some topics about WordPress installing and activating a WordPress theme. To install and activate a WordPress theme, navigate to the Appearance theme sections in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New to search for themes from the WordPress theme directory or upload a theme in zip format. Once you find the desired theme, click on Install and then Activate to make it live on your website. How to customize your website using web.com's WordPress builder. Here are tips on how to customize your website. Using the WordPress customizer. The WordPress customizer is a powerful tool that allows you to customize various aspects of your website's appearance. Here are some key customization options. Number 1. Changing the site title and tagline. Personalize your websites by updating the site title and tagline to reflect your brand and communicate its purpose. Number 2. Uploading a logo. Add a professional touch to your website by uploading your logo, which helps in building brand recognition. Number 3. Adjusting colors and fonts. Customize the color scheme and typography of your website to match your brand's visual identity and enhance its overall design. Make use of white space and use complementary colors to ensure that the visuals are not distracting and overwhelming. Adding essential pages. To create a well-rounded website, it's important to include essential pages that provide important information to your visitors. Consider adding the following pages. 1. Homepage. Make a great first impression with a visually appealing and informative homepage that highlights your key offerings. 2. About us. Introduce your business, share its story, and build trust with your audience by providing information about your company's values, mission, and team. 3. Contact us. Make it easy for visitors to get in touch with you by including a contact page that displays your contact information or a contact form. Services or products. Showcase your offerings and provide detailed information about the services or products you provide. Creating a navigation menu. A navigation menu helps visitors navigate your website easily. To create a navigation menu, access the WordPress customizers or navigate to appearance menus in your WordPress dashboard. Create a new menu and add the desired pages or custom links. Assign the menu to a specific location on your website, such as the header or footer, to make it easily accessible. Installing and managing plugins in web.com's WordPress hosting solution. Here are important things that you need to know about installing and managing WordPress plugins. Understanding plugins and their significance. Plugins are powerful tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress website. They allow you to add new features, enhance performance, and customize your site to meet your specific business needs. Plugins play a significant role in optimizing your website's performance, improving security, and enhancing user experience. To enhance your website's functionality, consider installing the following essential plugins. 1. SEO optimization. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast to improve your website's visibility in search engines and optimize your content for better rankings. Security and backup. Protect your website from threats by using a security plugin or service that offers features like malware scanning, firewall protection, and regular backups. Contact forms. Make it easy for visitors to reach out to you by using a contact form plugin that allows you to create and manage forms on your website. Social media integration. Integrate your website integrate your website with social media platforms using a social media plugin that enables sharing buttons and displays social media feeds. Step by step guide